Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to transfer money from SEABANK to PayPal. Transferring money from SEABANK to PayPal isn't directly supported, but there's a practical workaround that works smoothly. First, open your PayPal app or website and go to your wallet. You can add a supported bank account that PayPal accepts, like PPI, Union Bank, GCash, or Maya. Next, transfer your funds from SeaBank into the linked bank account. Once the money is in the supported bank, it can then be used to fund your PayPal balance or payments. Another option is to link your SeaBank debit or credit card to PayPal directly. Just enter the card details in the PayPal wallet. While this won't move money outright into PayPal, it allows you to pay with your SeaBank account via the card. Keep in mind that this method may include additional fees depending on the banks involved, and it may take 1 to 2 business days for the transfer to reflect in PayPal. But it's the only currently reliable way to move funds from SeaBank to PayPal. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.